Travel Organizers is actually a broad, catch-all name for a variety of products that help you get organized. The most common types of travel organizers are packing cubes or similar products. These funky tools are soft-sided containers usually made of plastic that you can use to separate your clothes. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best travel organizers available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Eagle Creek Packing Organizer. You can throw all of your toiletries into a Ziploc bag or an ordinary sack, but that just means sleepily digging for your toothpaste on a layover. For maximum organization, invest in this Eagle Creek Packing Organizer, which has separate pouches and compartments that are large enough to store toiletries for 2. The extra features in the Eagle Creek Organizer set it apart from competitors. The organizer comes with a hook so you can hang it up once you reach your destination, freeing up counter space and giving you better access to your toiletries. Some versions even come with a mirror. The interior has plenty of pouches and storage compartments to help you organize all of your toiletries, including a removable clear pouch for getting liquids through TSA security. The organizer's durability is another point in its favor. The sturdy nylon fabric is resistant to stains and moisture, a must-have feature if you're looking for something that will spend a lot of time in damp bathrooms. Number 4. Free Grace Underwear Bag. You may not think you need a separate underwear organizer, but the Free Grace underwear bag will make your life easier nonetheless. This hefty organizer has enough compartments to store the essentials such as underwear, socks, and even a pouch for makeup and toiletries. The most important feature is the bra organizer. Folding up bras can damage them, and this organizer will protect your expensive undergarments from damage. The Free Grace underwear bag has 2 layers with several mesh pockets on each layer, including separate compartments for different clothing items. The bag is made out of a durable material built to resist wear and tear. The organizer has a handle on the back for convenient carrying and transportation. The Free Grace underwear bag is a bit too bulky for carry-on luggage. However, it's the ideal solution for keeping all of your underwear in one place and protecting more fragile lingerie in a larger suitcase. Plus, it comes in 3 classic stylish colors. Number 3. The UBM Electronics Organizer. One of the hassles of modern traveling is organizing all of your electronics. How are you supposed to keep your phone chargers, tablet chargers, headphones, USB drives, and assorted converters from getting lost in the bottom of your bag? Enter the BUBM Electronics Organizer. This deceptively compact travel organizer has plenty of compartments for all of your electronics, including a double-layered interior nylon compartment, straps for different cables, and a pocket for a tablet. While it may be too big for some travelers, it's useful if you have lots of cables or electronics. The BUBM Electronics Organizer is made out of tough, waterproof nylon that will keep your electronics safe no matter what conditions you are traveling through. The added layer of a semi-padded cover offers even more protection against wear and tear while on the road. Plus, the sleek design makes it easy to slip this travel organizer into any backpack or carry-on. Number 2. Mayamika Travel Laundry Bag. When you're packing for a trip, don't forget to factor in space for what you will be bringing back, souvenirs and dirty laundry. The Mayamika Travel Laundry Bag is the perfect solution for bringing dirty clothes back from a trip. One of the greatest benefits of this laundry bag is its compact size. When it's not in use, the Mayamika folds into an attached pouch that takes up barely any space in your luggage. For such a small item, it fits a surprising amount of dirty laundry, about a week's worth for one person. Besides its compact nature, the Mayamika Travel Laundry Bag impresses with its durability. The lightweight fabric is resistant to tears and moisture, so you don't have to worry about damp, dirty laundry soaking through and dirtying your other clothes. Overall, it's a much more elegant solution than a plastic bag for dirty clothes and is more sanitary. Number 1. Zopin Passport Wallet. One of the worst things that can happen to you while traveling is having your documents or money stolen or losing your valuables. This stylish passport wallet from Zopin is the perfect solution to helping you stay organized and safe. The Zopin Passport Wallet has compartments for everything you need as you travel, including multiple passport holders, credit card slots, ID slots, a SIM card pouch, key holder, pen holder, change pocket, and even an external pouch for your phone. Considering how much it fits, the Passport Wallet is surprisingly sleek, although it is bulkier than your average wallet. For all of its durability, the Passport Wallet doesn't sacrifice style. It has a sleek, vintage chic design and comes in 35 bright colors, all made out of quality leather. The material also blocks RFID readers, which can protect you from identity theft. talk about beauty and function all in one. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.